Hi, Jenny. I noticed that in the document that you had shared talking about the student employment training, there was a section in here. It says Spencer will look at it for quizzes for ResearchPath and also for the academic integrity tutorial. We do have this Moodle page here, and we've got the links to the tutorials with the quizzes. So I think these might be longer quizzes that are like this, but then if you look down here, we've got all of them listed here, and the research path quiz that's here is actually shorter, and it's got kind of a mix of the questions from the previous quizzes, but it is shorter. And here down below we've got the academic integrity tutorial, links to the tutorials with links to the two quizzes for that. It's not difficult to add participants here. You can see some of the students have already been added here, and I think you just have to click enroll users and then you search using the 4x4 email address of that student and you can just add them like that. I think you have to have permission, so I have that permission to do that, and some other people may have permission to do that as well. Currently it appears that Atul, Caprice, and Laura have the ability to add students to this tutorial, this module, to the course, so they can take the quizzes. I'm not sure if there's anything else you'd like to know, but if this raises any questions, please let me know and I'll get back to you. Thank you.